Dear student, how to solve this exponential equation, that is 2 raised power of p plus 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 42. And here we have to find the value of p, q and r. Dear student, first of all, 2 raised power of p plus 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 42. Then 1 multiply, that is no problem. 1 we can write 2 raised power of p dividing 2 raised power of p, that is equal 1. And next step student, 2 raised power of p plus 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 42. 2 raised power of p, 2 raised power of p dividing 2 raised power of p plus 2 raised power of q dividing 2 raised power of p plus 2 raised power of r dividing 2 raised power of p is equal 42. And next step student, 2 raised power of p, 2 raised power of p, 2 raised power of p, that will be cancelled, only 1 plus 2 raised power of q dividing 2 raised power of p, it can be written as 2 raised power of q, 2 raised power of p is equal 2 raised power of q minus p. By using in this 2 raised power of q minus p plus, then it can be written as 2 raised power of r minus p is equal 42. Then next step student, 2 raised power of p is equal 1 plus 2 raised power of q minus p plus 2 raised power of r minus p is equal. Now here, since this 1 is even and this is a odd, is equal, so 42 in term of 2 factor, so 1 factor is even and second factor is odd. Now 1 factor is even, 2, 42, it can be written as 2 multiply 21, then 1 is even and second is odd, which these two here even and odd. Then it can be written as 2 raised power of p even is equal even 2, and next 1 plus 2 raised power of q minus p plus 2 raised power of r minus p odd is equal odd 21. The next 2 raised power of 1 base or same, then p is equal 1. And next student, 2 raised power of q minus p plus 2 raised power of r minus p is equal 21. 1 we will shift right hand side, then sign will be negative. 2 raised power of q minus p plus 2 raised power of r minus p is equal 21 minus 1, that is 20. Then next 2 raised power of q minus p, it can be written as 2 raised power of q dividing by 2 raised power of p plus 2 raised power of r dividing by 2 raised power of p is equal 20. Then next, then p is equal 1, but 2 raised power of q and dividing by 2 raised power of p that is equal 1 plus 2 raised power of r dividing 2 raised power of p but that value is 1 is equal 20. The next step student, LCM that is 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 20. The next step student, 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 20. This we will shift right side, then multiply 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 20 multiply 2 that is 40. Then again 1 multiply that is no issue. 1 it can be written as 2 raised power of q dividing 2 raised power of q 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r is equal 40. The next step student, 2 raised power of q 2 raised power of q dividing 2 raised power of q plus 2 raised power of r dividing 2 raised power of q is equal 40. 2 raised power of q 2 raised power of q dividing 2 raised power of q that will be cancelled, only 1 plus 2 raised power of r it can be written as 2 raised power of r minus q is equal 40. Now here, since this one is even and this odd, so 40 in term of two factors, so one factor is even and second factor is odd. We have 40, it can be written as 8, this time 5, and one is even and second is odd. It can be written as 2 raised power of q even is equal even 8 and second 1 plus 2 raised power of r minus q odd is equal 5. The next 2 raised power of q is equal 8. It can be written as 2 raised power of 3. Base are same, then q is equal 3. Then next student, 2 raised power of r minus q is equal 5. 1 will shift right hand side, then sign will be negative. 2 raised power of r minus q is equal 5 minus 1 that is 4. The next 2 raised power of r minus q values is 3 is equal 2 raised power of r minus 3, it can be written as 2 raised power of r, 2 raised power of 3 is equal 4. The next 2 raised power of r is equal 4 multiply 2 raised power of 3. 2 raised power of r is equal 4 multiply 2 raised power of 3 that is 8. The next 2 raised power of r is equal 4 multiply 8 that is 32. The next step student, 2 raised power of r is equal 32. It can be written as 2 raised power of 5. Then base are same, then r is equal 5. This is exact value of p is equal 1 and r is equal 5 and q is equal 3. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.